Alright, I just got a nice little Zippo in. Let's take a fast look at this one. Comes in the normal Zippo black box. And the name on the back of this one is Roulette Wheel. This is a pretty nice one. It's nice and colorful. You can see it's made in the USA, genuine Zippo. Now this is on the street chrome body, not the brushed chrome, the street chrome. It's got a really good sound. Lights up just as good as any other Zippo I have. Great sound. And this was made in January of 11. And the insert is different on this one. The insert on this is not matching. It was made in K of 10. So it was made a month earlier, or stamped a month earlier than the body was. So that is the Roulette Zippo on the street chrome body. It's going to be a good one for my collection. And remember, pretty soon, no more VRs. Knuckle bump.